I thought I'd stop at the watering hole and see what's going on here. We leave those leaves in there so that the bees have something to land onto if they need it. These are the water bees that are part of the colony. This is their job. We have bees that collect pollen. We have bees that collect nectar. And then they turn into water bees as the time goes on. Now in fall, there is no nectar. There's very little nectar at all to be had on any of the plants here in southeast Pennsylvania, north of Philadelphia. So we're getting a lot of water bees. So let's go see what we got in this section. This here is just empty boxes. It's how I store my empties. Those are empty inner covers, bottom boards. Let's see what we have here. So here's our deep, here's our medium, here's our inner cover, and here's our outer shim box that holds feed. So what do we have here? I can hardly see this. Let's get down in here a little bit. What do we see in here? I don't see pollen. I see a drone right at the front door there, getting ready to take off. Another colony with drones. Okay. Indication again of a healthy colony. Good. Drones at this time, let's see, it's September 28th. So if we still have drones in a colony coming in and out, meaning they're being fed and housed, then that's a healthy colony. A colony will not support drones if it itself is not healthy. It has to be a healthy colony to have drones. All right, drones are the male bees. Their job is to mate with the queen so she can continue to lay eggs and continue to sustain the colony. So what are we looking at here? This colony is the medium's box number 1, the deep is box number 2, inner cover, and then a shim that houses feed. So, oh wow, this entrance reducer is very loose. I pushed it in and it looks like they have some bee glue already happening because it stayed in when I pushed it in. We need these colonies to be sealed up, all the cracks to be secured, and that's what they're doing now in late September. They're going to pine trees, they're getting a resin, and they're coming in, they're mixing it with honey, nectar, water, anything liquid to create a glue. And they're going to seal up all of these cracks between these boxes because we don't want any air getting in to these colonies through winter. So these guys, oh, I see pollen coming in. Yay. See this guy here fanning? He's fanning, so they're keeping that airflow. I do run screen bottom boards, so there's lots of air flowing through these colonies. They bring it in, it goes up and around, and then comes back out. They're keeping the temperature and the humidity at perfect conditions.